Cricket is our country's favorite sport, while the shorter versions are gaining popularity. For cricket enthusiasts, Test cricket is still the highest form of the game. While many of us watch Test cricket for pure joy of the game, there are many parallels that can be drawn between cricket and credit investing. Just like a test match, where a successful side needs to be disciplined in all three departments, that is, batting, bowling and fielding. We at ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund manage our credit investments with a similar disciplined approach to deliver safety, liquidity and returns in that order to handle a variety of fixed income schemes for our investors. Much like a game of Test cricket, where technique and temperament both are important to draw a favorable result, they are important in credit investing as well. Let's see how. Know where your off-stump is. We carefully research the companies and eliminate the ones that can be of risk to our SLR strategy. Play close to your body. It's important to keep chances of error to a minimum. Hence, we focus on cash generation capacity of the companies and on collateral to pick assets with minimum risk. Do not premeditate. We do not premeditate the quality basis the credit ratings only and conduct a thorough due diligence to ascertain the risk-return potential of the company. One ball to get out. We have a committee-based approach with individual veto approvals for each instrument we invest in. This helps us play every ball carefully and stay on the crease, one run at a time. Our pure bottom-up approach helps us understand the positives and negatives of each company. Green does not always mean bounce. Unlike a green pitch, which always favors the bowlers, in credit, there are good companies in bad sectors and bad companies in good sectors. We have to do the hard work of evaluating each firm, irrespective of the sector it belongs to. Play session by session. All companies are constantly getting evaluated and go through upgrades and downgrades. We have to be vigilant at all times and keep evaluating our investments. Your strength can also be your weakness. Depending only on a few players does not always win you matches. A strong but concentrated portfolio can quickly turn into a poor one due to a few unforeseen changes in environment. Hence, diversification helps in spreading the risk. Run rate is secondary. At our fund house, we are not willing to take any undue risk to better the returns. Respect the conditions. There are times when we cannot control the external conditions. We have to adjust our portfolios to deliver optimum results. Stay at the wicket. In the calculation of returns, rate and time both are important. You have to look at the indicative investment horizon to get the full benefit from your investments. Just like a successful cricket team that has a perfect mix of players with different expertise, the 11 players of our credit investment process come together to manage liquidity, concentration, credit and duration in our accrual portfolios to give the investors optimum risk-adjusted returns. To know more about our debt funds, contact your financial advisor today or visit www.icici-prumf.com or download iPru Touch. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.